Hi everyone, what is up? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Batman Arkham City. In last episode, we took on Joker, and I thought it was gonna be the egg. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I need to get used to this again. But last episode we took on not Batman, Joker. I thought it was the end, but we did not reach the end. And Talia is offering Joker the whatchamacallit, the pit till the Lazarus pit. So that's great. Anyway. Okay, what tools did this girl have though? Alright. Okay. I need to anyway. Wonder what. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah. So we're gonna find out. So anyway, I don't know what we're doing. I forgot what her mission was. So anyway, let's see what her mission is. It's break into the confiscated goods vault, because all she cares about is herself. Anyway, by the way, if you're new here, please feel free to leave a like, subscribe, whatever you guys got to do to stay in tune with the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Anyway, by the way, this game is rated T, so if you're under the age of 13, please ask parents' permission before coming into this game. Especially when we get into the cutscenes of this one. Alright. Anyway, oh my goodness. Well,
Tiger Command, we're in Sector 2. We were attacked. The vault is compromised. We believe the attacker was Poison Ivy. Over.
Roger that, Tiger 87. Hold your position and await orders. Over.
Affirmative. Set up a perimeter. Protect the entrance.
alright. So am I just supposed to... Yeah. Take that, butt ugly. Jerk. You would hit a lady? Oh my goodness! Don't you even think about it. Okay. My word. Wouldn't it be Cats? Because, you know, she's Catwoman. Alright, so we're in the right spot. I gotta enter.
I can always count on you to make the earth move. I guess you're tunneling into Strange's vault below ground.
Oh, was there more to that? Alright, so now we're in the sewer, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Okay. Alright.
There are Ivy's vines, and there's the storage facility. Nice work, Red. Time to get in there.
Alright. Uh-huh. Oh, is this the door? Let's see. Nope, this is not the door. Yikes. Okay.
Okay, there's the vault. Looks like like a standard 3-card security protocol.
Uh-huh.
You'd think these people would have learned by now. Hopefully the keys are down there, deep in the pockets of those tiger guards.
Lady, your mouth's not moving. You know, in those situations, are they just thinking?
Quick and stay out of sight. One wrong move and the fail-safes will trigger, and that vault will be locked down permanently.
Protocol 10 will commence in 10 minutes.
Alright, so do I have to... Oh. How many guys are... Holy crap. No, I don't trust this, so we are just gonna go... Oh, this guy right here. Ta-da! Alright. Keep... Good down there. Oh, crap. Is there anybody around? There you go. Alright, that guy we already pickpocket. Did we already? Yeah, I think we already pickpocket him. What's in here? La-da see, la-da do. Oh, right here. Let's see if we can get this guy.
That's all the keys. Next stop, the security room.
Now, where would that be? Of course. Let me guess. Security room is in there. Do I have to knock them all out or something? I pray no. I really don't want to. Oh, wait. Let me guess. I just went in circles, didn't I? Yep.
What are you waiting for, Selena? You've got the keys. Get your ass to the control room and open that vault. I've got the key cards. Next stop, open the vault from the control room. What are you waiting for, Selena? You've got the keys. Get your ass to the control room and open that vault. I've got the key cards.
I know.
Next stop, open the vault from the control room.
Do I have to beat them up or something? I was pressing to open.
I will enjoy dissecting your brain, Miss Kyle.
All right. Why do we have that shot there as that? That's just... I'm drinking my cranberry. Alright. Let's try this thing again now, shall we? Won't talk about that.
Excuse escape from Arkham City is impossible, Catwoman.
Where the heck is the room? You know, they shouldn't be recapping the Batman side of it. Alright, he's gonna turn around soon, so I'm not even gonna think about risking it. Just wait till he turns around. Oh. Gonna go up here. Alright, get up, get up, get up, get up! Alright, find out which way he's going.
That's all the keys. Next stop, the security room.
Now, which one's the security room? Where in the world is the security room? Is the security room around this way? I'm hoping.
What's wrong with you, Selina? Trying to leave without retrieving your precious loot from Strange's vault.
Okay, so that room is that vault. But it didn't open.
What are you waiting for, Selina? You've got the keys.
I'm going.
Get your ass to the control room and open that vault.
Alright.
I've got the key cards. Next stop, open the vault.
Bro!
Your thieving ends now.
Shut up. I'm getting confused now. I'm supposed to go there. Am I supposed to cause like some sort of distraction or something? Okay. Now I gotta... Alright. Okay, nope. Can't get those two. I mean, I could get those two there.
That's all the keys. Next stop, the security room.
Alright, now where the heck is the security room? I'm gonna guess... Oh, this guy's here, so I gotta wait. I'm gonna guess there. I don't know why. Is this it? Because... It doesn't make sense because the stupid door won't open. Ooh. I guess I have to like cause a distraction or something.
Shut it down.
Oh, no. I can't cause any distraction.
I will enjoy dissecting your brain.
Can we just go on with it? I'm getting sick and tired of this. Alright, I'm getting tired of this. I'm getting ticked off at this. Alright. I'm gonna wait till this guy turns to see if that's... No. Okay. Yeah, it has to be that room. I'm lost right now. I'm lost right now. I'm trying to figure out what the heck, which one is. Of course. Forget about it. Just finish me.
Escape from Arkham City is impossible.
Shut up. Alright. I feel like I'm doing something wrong and everyone's just yelling at the screen right now. That's not what you're supposed to do, you idiot. Can I like stealth take him down or something? No. Alright, so we'll get these two when these two are gone. Alright, so when this guy's gone, this guy will be turning around here. So I gotta wait till they are both gone. Once this guy has turned, and this guy. Okay, so that guy's turned.
That's all the keys. Next stop, the security room.
Okay, this door is not opening. This door is not opening. Alright. Let's see if the security room is following these trails here. Okay, that's an exit. It's not this one. But what in the world could be the stinking security room? I don't have to pause and go through like the internet again. That has to be a security room. Alright, I'm gonna be right back in a quick second. Okay, so I was dumb and I was not paying attention to the cutscene. I am disappointed in myself. We're supposed to open it through here. Is it gonna give them an order to leave?
What's going on? Someone's opening the vault. Is this a drill?
If it is, no one told us. Listen up. The room is hot. Spread out and search for intruders. No prisoners. Move.
That sounds so sweet.
I don't like this. You think it's Batman?
Nope.
Hope not. We've got special orders for him. With any luck, it's just some Arkham scum trying to get rich.
Okay, so now we can take him down.
With them. No sign of target.
Heck no, there's two guys there. Alright. You idiot. Why do Batman and Catwoman? Alright. This guy. Oh crap!
Fire in the hole. Moving to cover location.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, let's wait for this guy to be disappearing.
Target in sight.
Target is not in sight. Of course.
Moving to cover location. Fire in the hole.
Okay, you're making this difficult. With Batman, it's a heck of a lot easier. Ooh, I can hit them.
Watch your line of sight. Stay on target. Don't. I've got a visual on target. Target spotted.
I suck at this game.
Target is lost. Moving to cover location.
I need a break. If I do this another time, I'm out. Alright, have you go over here. You idiot.
Contact. Enemy device found.
Idiot, go to it.
Target spotted. Target is mobile. Target neutralized. Repeat, Catwoman is...
You're thieving.
Keep dying. I suck at this game.
What's going on?
Someone's opening the vault.
Alright,
Is
so
this a
I have
drill?
to do it like spread out or something.
No one told us. Listen up. The room is hot. Spread out and search for intruders. No prisoners. Move.
I don't like this. You think it's Batman?
I hope not. We've got special orders for him. With any luck, it's just some Arkham scum trying to get rich. We can have a little fun with them. Watch your line of sight.
Stay on target. Don't lose focus.
Target spotted.
Of course.
Target is lost. Move to locate. Target has vanished.
Check your numbers.
Move it! Casualty. My location.
It's this guy. That guy's the pain. If I can get him out. Stop it, stop it, stop it! No, 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 no. Yay! Alright, now we gotta get this guy by himself. Alright, he's by himself there. Now we can get this guy and then we can get those two.
Move it!
No, you're out. I hate you. You are the worst.
This is Tiger 5-4. We have confirmation that target is in the steel mill. I repeat, Batman is in the steel mill.
wipe both the Batman and the Joker from this Earth.
Say what?
Then let Protocol 10 commence.
Say what?
Understood. Commencing in 3, 2, 1.
What'd I do? We sure you still want to go in here? There's nothing in here.
Looks like this kitten's got the cream.
No, there's nothing in here. How much you want to bet there's nothing in here? It's all just a bunch of nothing.
It appears we have caught our intruder. Teach her a lesson.
Ah, great.
Life just keeps getting better. Batman should be dead, and now I have you too, Mrs. Kyle.
Get out. No one likes you. Just Johnny. That sounded so wrong. Oh, my word. Oh, I'm gonna die. I am so gonna die. I really need to get better at this game. I just...
I will enjoy.
Alright, can we talk about what in the world happened with the Protocol 10?
We have caught our intruder. Teach her a lesson. Oh, tonight just keeps getting better. Batman will soon be dead, and now I have you too, Mrs. Kyle.
I really just need to get better at this game. How in the world? I'm having emotional damage right now. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, guys. I don't know.
It appears we have caught our intruder. Teach her a lesson.
Alright.
Oh, tonight just keeps getting better. Batman will soon be dead, and now I have you too, Mrs. Kyle.
Alright. That's right. I'm telling you, man. Alright, got it. Alright. I don't got it. I don't got it. I got it. I don't got it. Alright. I'm getting it. No, I pressed X! I pressed the counter. Alright. So both of these guys I have to stun. Alright, got it, 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 I got it, I got it, I got it. I got it!
All units, we have visual confirmation. The steel mule is hit. Batman is down. I repeat, Batman is down.
Oh.
Wait until Protocol 10 has completed and send out a squad to retrieve the Batman's body.
Understood, sir.
Escape Arkham City with it? You think I'm gonna walk the whole time? There's bad guys here. I mean, there's an exit like this direction, so I can just... Oh my goodness. Batsy!
You can do it. Just walk right out of here and leave him. It's easy. You'll never forgive yourself, Selina. Save Batman, then get out of here. It's not like he'll die. It's Batman, right?
Let me guess. So we're gonna go after this way. Gotham City? We're in Gotham City right now? Alright. And...
Screw him.
well. Hold up, what? What the heck? What did I just do? What did I do? Did I just... what did I just do? Did I just end the game? You're kidding. You're joking. I thought that's what the... I cannot believe I just did that. Oh, no. Okay, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. I can't believe I just did that. No. Oh, please tell me we're getting a chance to redo this again. Because there's no way on earth that is the ending. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank the Lord. I am not doing that again. I am not doing that again. I'm so not doing that again. Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, we're not doing that again. Oh my, oh my God.
You can do it. Just walk right out of here and leave him. It's easy.
No.
You'll never forgive yourself, Selina. Save Batman, then get out of here. It's not like he'll die. It's Batman, right? Since when did you grow a conscience?
But you, it didn't give me that option earlier.
Done? Hold on, handsome. I'm coming to save you.
Like usual. Okay, so we're gonna go save Batman's butt.
Great. See what I give up for you, Batman. You better not be dead already.
He's not. He is so not dead.
Well, what do we have here?
The Bat and the Cat.
Figured you could use my help.
You're right. I think I chipped a nail back there.
You stick with the
Heh.
broom. I'll handle the wisecracks. I guess we
Okay.
know what Protocol 10 is now, right? If you're planning on stopping it, you need to hurry.
All right. And she's gone. Just like that. All right. We're going to get a little chat with Oracle before. I failed everybody.
Strange is launching missile strikes on Arkham City from Wonder Tower. You shut this place down. Joker's taken Talia. I'm going after them.
You can't. Hundreds will be killed. I need your help to stop the attack.
He'll kill Talia.
You need to think this through. Batman can't let all these people die.
My tracker's not activating. Reroute all Wayne Tech satellites to boost the signal.
I can't do that. I realize it is difficult, Sam. But you need to decide if one life is worth sacrificing to save 1,000.
Yeah, Batsy.
Yes, Alfred.
Batman must save Gotham. I'm sorry, but deep down, you know I'm right.
That's right, Alfred.
Oracle, do not lose Talia's signal. tower's locked down. No way in without the codes. One of the choppers will be carrying the master control program. I just need to find that chopper.
Alright. But that will be in the next episode of Batman Arkham City, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys here on the next one. Peace out. I think next episode is the finale. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.